When you search for the best polymer clay rolling machine, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Hokiam Clay Texture Rollers. Let's kick things off with the Hokiam Clay Texture Rollers. Priced at just $12.99, this 10-pack caught my eye for its unique designs and versatility. If you want to add intricate patterns to your clay projects, this is worth a serious look. These texture rollers are made from premium plastic, which means they're durable enough for frequent use. Each roller has a different design, giving you endless creative possibilities. Whether you're embellishing pottery or crafting DIY projects, the ergonomic grip makes it easy to roll out consistent textures without straining your hands. Plus, they're compact, measuring just 5 inches long, which is perfect for both small and large creations. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These rollers are designed to help you express your creativity without the hassle of complicated tools. Now, I did come across some feedback that these rollers can be a bit stiff to use at first. Some users noted that they had to apply extra pressure to get the desired texture. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, they work beautifully and are a great value for the price. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into polymer clay, or if you want to level up your crafting game without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you want a more automated solution, but if you're into hands-on creativity, it's a steal. Now, if the idea of needing a good grip bothered you, this next one might be exactly what you're looking for.
Product number 2, DIY OOHOM Polymer Clay Tool Set. Next up is the DIY OOHOM Polymer Clay Tool Set, priced at $9.99. The 14-piece kit includes everything from acrylic rollers to various cutting tools. If you're looking for a complete starter kit, this one's definitely worth your attention. This set offers 2 acrylic rollers that let you see what you're working with, plus 4 thickness rings to help you achieve the perfect consistency for your clay. Having those different thickness options is crucial when you're aiming for precision in your projects, like making earrings or intricate designs. Plus, the included tools, like the dotting tools and knives, give you the flexibility to tackle a range of crafting styles. The fact that they're reusable means you won't constantly be buying new supplies, which saves you money in the long run. However, some users mention that the acrylic rollers can scratch easily if not handled with care. Honestly, that's something to think about, especially if you're planning to use them frequently. But if you treat them well, they'll serve you for a long time. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or a hobbyist who wants a comprehensive set without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're an advanced crafter looking for specialized tools, but for the budget conscious, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for efficiency and ease of use. Product number 3, Kioker Clay Press Machine. The next product is the Kioker Clay Press Machine, priced at $39.99. This one really caught my eye with its 7 adjustable thickness settings. If you want a machine that does the heavy lifting for you, this is worth considering. This machine is made from stainless steel, which means it's not just sturdy, but also designed for longevity. The 7 thickness settings allow you to customize your clay for various projects, whether you're making earrings or larger designs. If you've ever struggled with uneven thickness using a traditional rolling pin, you'll appreciate how this machine delivers consistent results every time. Plus, the advice to use cornstarch to prevent sticking is a game changer for smooth operation. But here's the thing. Some users pointed out that soft clay can stick to the rollers, which can be a hassle. This is definitely something to keep in mind. However, with the right precautions, like using cornstarch, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your polymer clay projects and want something efficient that saves you time. Skip this one if you prefer hand rolling methods or have a very tight budget, but for quality and ease, it's a worthy investment. Now, if you're looking for even more functionality, our next option offers a unique twist.
Product number 4, FoiFat Polymer Clay Press Machine. Now let's talk about the FoiFat Polymer Clay Press Machine, retailing for $27.59. This one is designed for those who want to flatten and mix clay with ease. If you need a tool that simplifies your crafting process, keep listening. This press machine features 6 adjustable thickness settings, giving you flexibility for different projects. It's made of high-quality stainless steel, which means it's resistant to rust and built to last. You can create sheets up to 5 3/4 inches wide and 0.12 inches thick, making it perfect for various applications. Plus, it even helps you mix colors seamlessly, which is great for achieving that perfect blend in your craft. Some reviews did mention that it can be a bit tricky to set up initially, especially if you're not used to this kind of equipment. But honestly, once you get it figured out, it's a fantastic addition to your clay toolkit. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different colors and textures in your clay work. Skip this one if you want something that's ready to use right out of the box without any setup, but it offers great value for the price. Alright, that brings us to the last product on our list, which is a more professional option.
Product number 5, Makin's Professional Ultimate Clay Machine. Finally, we have the Makin's Professional Ultimate Clay Machine, priced at $49.98. This one is for those who are serious about their crafting. If you want a top-tier machine that can handle a variety of tasks, this might be your go-to. This machine offers a wide clay path and 9 thickness settings, which gives you incredible versatility. It's made from stainless steel, so it's durable and efficient for mixing and blending colors. If you're working on detailed projects, the ability to create thin, even textures will take your work to the next level. Plus, it comes with a table clamp to keep it steady, which is a nice touch for serious crafters. However, I did find that some users found it a bit on the pricier side compared to other options. Here's the thing though, if you're committed to crafting, this machine's longevity and efficiency can save you money in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a professional-grade machine that delivers consistent quality. Skip this one if you're only doing casual crafting, but for serious polymer artists, it's definitely worth the investment.
So there you have it. We covered the Hokiam texture rollers, DIY OOHY tools, Kyoker clay press machine, Foy fat press machine, and the Makin's Professional Ultimate Clay Machine. Each of these has its unique strengths, whether you're just starting out or looking for something more advanced. The right choice really comes down to your crafting needs and budget. Happy crafting!